friends, welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen. Wish all my friends a happy Vishu. May you be blessed with prosperity, peace and good fortune. Today we are going to make Payasam or kheer with splitted Moong Dal. The first step for making this Pradhaman or kheer is to roast 1.5 cups of dal in a pan till it turns golden brown. Now we need to cook the roasted dal using pressure cooker or instant pot. If you are cooking in instant pot, pressure cook for 3 minutes and wait for the pressure to release. You can use pressure cooker and turn off the stove after 2 whistles. Do not overcook the dal. Meanwhile, prepare the coconut milk. You can use freshly squeezed coconut milk. I used a packet of Maggi coconut powder. It's about 250 to 300 grams. Melt the jaggery or brown sugar. I used about 1.5 cups of brown sugar. Our dal is cooked now. Before you add the melted jaggery or brown sugar, you separate a little bit of dal from the cooked dal. Then mash it well. Now you can add the jaggery, melted jaggery and the mashed dal to the cooked dal. So this is to adjust the consistency of the payasam. Now for flavor, I mixed 1 tablespoon of dried ginger and 1 tablespoon of jeera and added that to the payasam. Now you can add coconut milk. Make sure the dal is cooked with jaggery nicely before you add the coconut milk. Just bring it to boil. Your payasam is ready now. For seasoning, we are going to fry the coconut pieces in butter. You can use ghee or vegan butter to fry the coconut pieces and add that to the payasam. Now you can see your payasam is ready. You can adjust the thickness of the payasam by adding a little bit more of coconut milk or regular milk. Splitted Moong Dal, like other lentils and pulses, is a good source of protein and dietary fiber. It is low in fat and rich in B complex vitamins, calcium, and potassium. Thank you for all the support. Please like and subscribe to Geetha's Kitchen. Thank you.